Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset AirTies Mesh Air 4960 Wi-Fi extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the AirTies Mesh Air 4960 Wi-Fi extender. Resetting the AirTies Mesh Air 4960 Wi-Fi extender is necessary when you're facing connectivity issues, forgot login details, or want to set it up with a new router. A reset restores it to factory settings, clearing any old configurations or errors. Plug the Air 4960 into a working wall power socket. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the LED indicator turns solid white or starts blinking slowly. This means the extender is fully powered on and ready for reset. Find the small reset hole on the bottom or back of the device. It's usually labeled as reset. You will need a pointed object like a paperclip, SIM ejector tool, pin, or toothpick to access it. Insert your tool into the reset hole and press the button inside. Hold it down firmly for 10 to 15 seconds without releasing. While holding the button, watch the LED light on the front. Keep holding the reset button until the LED starts to blink rapidly, turns off, or changes color. This indicates that the reset process has started. Now, release the button. The AirTies Air 4960 will now reboot automatically. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, the LED may flash or turn off temporarily. Once the LED settles, blinking slowly or solid white, the device is reset. Now it has returned to factory default settings, just like it was when first purchased. After resetting the AirTies Mesh Air 4960 Wi-Fi extender, plug it into a power outlet near your main router. Press the WPS button on your router, then press the WPS button on the Air 4960, this pairs them automatically. Wait for the LED to turn solid white, indicating the extender is ready to use. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.